How to share and edit bookmarks from Google Chrome on Android. So if you want to share and export bookmarks from your Google Chrome on your Android, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with the top right, which has that three dots, and you will have bookmarks option. Tap on bookmarks, and here you will have all of your bookmarks, right? So you just need to simply tap on the mobile bookmarks, and from the mobile bookmarks, now if you want to share some bookmark, then you need to go with the three dots which is on the right side, and then you need to tap on select. After selecting, you will have share or extract option on the top right. Tap on the extract or share, or go with the three dots, and you may have share option, or you can also go with the pencil shaped icon. And from the pencil shaped icon here, you will have the URL, right? So you just need to simply go and copy the URL. So tap on the URL and you will have copy option. Tap on copy. After copying that URL, you can go with your Messenger, your WhatsApp, or any other application or any other chat in which you would like to share or export. And you can just go with the chat and paste the link right there. After pasting, send it. And in this way, you'll be able to share or export your bookmark. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.